Hi everybody, Craig with Travel Tartan here. Today I have an amenity kit video for you. This is Delta's Tumi transatlantic amenity kit. So without further ado, let's dig in and see what we find. Delta does one size fits all. It's a unisex. They don't have a male and a female one. They're all the same. So we start with the obligatory eye mask. This is Tumi. As you can see, it's, oh, I've just broken it open, so I've never even used it. It's actually kind of comfortable, a lot more comfortable than the KLM version that I just did a video for. It's actually kind of nice. Quite like that. Socks, the usual. These ones are purple for Delta's new colors. Pretty standard socks. They're all all the amenity kits I've got have pretty similar socks, so nothing exciting there. A pen, purple Delta pen. Yep, absolutely. Why not? We have toothbrush and toothpaste. So this one, just pretty simple. Toothpaste, good size toothpaste. But yeah, it's toothpaste. We have hand cleanser, hand sanitizer. It says Delta on the front. Very nice. We have a little packet of mouthwash. Just a little tab to open it. Yep. Mouthwash long spin. No idea. Rinse for 20 seconds. And last but not least, we have a Labo lip balm. Shea butter lip balm. So there you go. That's what it looks like there. So that's really it. The inside is kind of actually a fun inside there. I'm not sure if you can see that or not, but kind of nice. It's nice, whatever. It's pretty standard, nothing special. It was used, some of it was used to get me through the night flight. That's really about it. So there we go. Thanks very much for watching. See you again soon.